Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 1. Arjuna said, Prakriti, matter, and Purusha, spirit, also the Kshetra, the field, and the Kshetragna, the knower of the field, knowledge, and that which ought to be known. These I wish to learn, O Keshava.
Arjuna uvacha prakritim purusham chaiva kshetram kshetragyam cha etad veditumicchami jnanam geyam cha Keshava.
Chapter 13, Shloka 1. The 18 chapters of Gita can be divided in 3 sections of 6 chapters each. Each of the 3 sections can be represented by the 3 terms of the Maha Vakya, thou that art. The first 6 chapters explained thou, and the next 6 chapters explained that, and the remaining 6 chapters explain the term art, meaning the relationship between the limited individual and the unlimited reality. Spirit functioning through matter envelopment is the living organism. Before spirit can be separated from matter, we must know all that constitutes matter in us. This discrimination between the inert matter equipments and the vibrant spark of life, the spirit, is presented to in this chapter called the field and the knower of the field. The inert equipment and the vital sentient truth have been indicated by 2 technical terms, Prakriti and Purusha, respectively. Having sat in meditation, what exactly has our integrated mind and intellect to do now is explained. The matter equipments and their perceived world of objects together constitute the field. The Supreme Consciousness illumining them and seemingly function through the field picks up the status of the knower of the field. One is a knower only as long as one is in the field of the knowables. A swimmer is one who is swimming at the moment. Away from the water, he is an individual. The individual got the status of swimmer while in water. The pure consciousness perceiving the world of plurality through its own conditionings becomes the knower of field, and this knower thereby comes to suffer the sorrows as knower of the field. If through discrimination the field and its knower are known separately, and the student can detach himself from the matter equipments and therefore get away from the field of these sorrow ridden experiences. Thereby, the knower of the field, who was the experiencer of the sorrows, transforms himself to be the experiencer of the absolute knowledge. Bereft of the field of objects, the knower himself becomes nothing but pure knowledge, without the functions of knowing attached to it. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.